Canada นะ
to you and review the instructions. Also, for your own safety, please keep your hands and feet inside the boat at all times. Please refrain from standing on the seats or the metal boxes on the deck of the boat. Please keep youngsters off all railings. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to speak to one of our crew members. Maid of the Mist boats have been sailing the border between the two friendly nations of the United States and Canada since 1846. The first Maid of the Mist vessel was a twin-stack coal-fired steamboat. In 1885, our boats evolved to single-stack steamboats that ventured closer to the Horseshoe Falls than any boat ever had before. See the American Falls. It is 180 feet high, or about 55 meters, 12,000 years ago. The falls were 7 miles, or about 11 kilometers downriver at first. You see them now at their present location because of erosion. This happens at a rate of approximately 6 feet a year. Most of the rock at the base of the falls fell during two spectacular rock slides in 1931 and 1954. The small falls to the right of the American Falls.
So we're going to go to another side over there.
The walkway at its foot leads to the Cave of the Winds. Separating the American Falls from the Canadian Falls is Goat Island. Here, daredevils have made their bid for fame. The first, in 1901, was a school teacher named Annie Taylor. Annie was 63 years old when she went over the falls in a wooden barrel and lived. In 1960, an almost unbelievable event occurred. A 7-year-old boy made a simple life jacket. It was a miracle that he survived. Roger was rescued almost at this exact spot by a Maid of the Mist boat.
It's cool too. You see the everything.
point at the casino ฮันเน่